Same tool, same person. One day it writes something brilliant. The next day, confident garbage. What changed? If you've used ChatGPT more than once, you've felt this. Sometimes it feels like magic. Sometimes it feels like it's trolling you, and the inconsistency makes no sense. It's the same model, the same interface. So why does it feel random? Most people blame the tool. The model isn't good enough. AI hallucinates. It's just guessing. But if it were random, it wouldn't fail in predictable ways. And it does. You ask vague questions, you get vague answers. You ask unclear questions, you get confident nonsense. You ask precise questions, you get useful output. The pattern is consistent. Which means the problem isn't randomness, it's something else. Here's what's actually happening. ChatGPT doesn't understand confusion. It performs around it. When your intent is clear, the results feel smart. When your intent is fuzzy, the results feel dumb. But it's not guessing randomly. It's responding to structure or the lack of it. You're not getting bad answers because ChatGPT failed. You're getting bad answers because the question didn't contain enough clarity for it to succeed. And here's the uncomfortable part. That's not the AI's fault. It's yours. But here's the good news. If bad answers are predictable, they're also diagnosable. They're not proof that AI is broken. They're signals that your thinking needs more structure. And once you learn to read those signals, ChatGPT stops feeling random. It starts feeling consistent, because it always was. You just weren't seeing your part in the equation. So if bad answers are signals, the next question is, signals of what? What are the specific mistakes people make that guarantee bad output, even from a perfect AI? What patterns show up again and again when ChatGPT gives you something that sounds right, but isn't? That's episode 2. We're going to talk about the biggest mistake people make with ChatGPT, and it's not what you think. See you there next time. The biggest mistake isn't bad wording. It's something that happens before you even start typing.